guys, this is Elaine from Life in Color by Elaine. How are you? I am going to do a demo for you for how to put on our Color Street nail polish. This is Southern Belle that I've already started. I wanted to start off by giving you just a little tip. I always work from my pinky nail to my thumbnail because you want to do your thumbnails last. Your thumbnails are what you're going to use primarily to help perforate each of the nail strips. So if you do it early, then you'll mess with the thumbnail manicure, which you don't really want to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to size out the next one. So you'll take the nail strip and you'll just check the width. So that's going to work for me, you can see. So I'm going to peel off this top clear layer and lay it off to the side. And then I'm going to peel off this white layer in the back, this paper layer. And I'll put that off to the side. And then I'm going to peel off this little tab. And this one's sticky, so I'll put that off to the side also. And then I'm going to get as close to the cuticle as I can without actually touching it. And I'm just going to kind of push down the center and then on the sides so that I get a nice clean seal. And then here's another tip. You don't have to discard this part of the nail strip. So I'm going to push down with my thumb underneath really gently to perforate it so that it'll just come right off. You can see it'll come right off, see? And so that nail is done. But I can either take it and I can put it on another nail. See, I could use it there if I wanted to. Or for a deeper, more dramatic color, you can see that this nail is a little bit lighter than these. So I have been turning it around and putting two coats on the same nail. So I'll put it down again right over top of what I just did. And I'll push down. So for glitters and solids, I think that this is a really fun way to get a really pretty dramatic look. And then I'll do the exact same thing. I'll just push down underneath with my thumb. And I'm done. That's it. The other thing that you can do is when you split one in half, you can always take it and put it on another nail and use one of the strips of 8 for your fingers and then use the other strip of 8 for your toes so that you're getting both thumbs out of one or both index fingers out of one nail strip instead of 2. So you really can do both your fingers and your toes with one package. It's just such an amazing deal, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this this manicure. And then when I'm done, I'm going to take this second prep pad and I'm going to wipe down my nails again. So make sure that after you're done, you give yourself about a 30-minute cure time. You don't do any, don't do the dishes, don't go wash your hands, don't go dig in the garden or anything like that. These nails are dry to touch. There's no dry time, but you need to give it time to fully stick to your nail. So give yourself about 30 minutes. My tip is that I do it right before I go to bed. So anyway, I hope that you love Color Street as much as I do. I would love to help you find a color or a theme that works great for you. Please contact me. Again, my name is Elaine and I'm with Life in Color by Elaine. You can find me on Facebook or you can find me at lifeincolorbyelaine@gmail.com. Thanks guys. Have a great day.